Ryan here again with Ryan's Remodeling. Our last video we showed you a backsplash we were going to remove, and we've gone ahead and done that. The backsplash, again, to recap, was this product right here, which was a stone product that the previous installer had put on with a mortar style thin set, not an adhesive, which is really all you need in the kitchen is adhesive. You don't really need the thin set and the mortar, the heavy duty concrete product to install that, but it's what they did. So we didn't have a choice, we had to get pretty aggressive here. And again, the customer had the countertops installed. She has this brand new Cambria put in here, which is a beautiful surface. It's a non-porous surface that's available through Cambria, right out of St. Peters, Minnesota. Great stuff, but the end result was that she saw her new countertops with her backsplash and didn't like the look of it. So she wanted a new backsplash after countertops went in, which is not the order of events to do things. But being who we are very flexible, and when a customer wants to get something done, it's our job to make it the way they want it. So we went ahead and did that process we outlined in the last video. We actually made a pretty even cut here, and we surgically removed it up here so we didn't damage the cabinetry. As you can see, we followed right along nice and clean. We didn't leave any nails, any debris. So the guys that are coming in behind us to put new wallboard in, they don't even need to rebuild this corner bead. See that? We kept the metal behind there. So we found the metal, we jabbed in there, found it, and just kind of went up there and followed the metal of the corner bead. So now the new tile can come in, either overlap, or we can put in some mud here when the new wallboard's in. So that's gonna be a nice clean look. And ideally, anytime you do a process like this, you wanna come in, be careful, be very decisive about every cut you make, and make them clean. And if you do that, you get a product that looks like this, where the ending is not jagged, it is not rough, and it's gonna look like we weren't here. It's gonna look like it's been there the whole time. So that's the objective, and I think we accomplished it here pretty good. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.